So I got the Topps Heritage 2023 high number, and at first I was maybe trying to do like the low series, which is like 500 cards, and then 401 to 500 are short prints. So you get like the toppers, and I'll just kind of go through some of the ones or also you get the 500 or 50th anniversary buyback card. So nobody special. And then this is like the topper that was in one box, and I bought 3 boxes. And there's a Christopher Morel puzzle card. So I've never had a puzzle card before. So there's a bunch of firsts, and you either get like an autograph, and here's Freddie Freeman autograph. That was pretty cool. And then you either get like, okay, you get a bat there, possibly. There's a Javier Baez. And then the Rafael Devers jersey. And you have some variations. So here's one I've never had before, which is a polar bear. That's nickname. You can get like, there's a Ronald Acuna that way. And you have a Ronald Acuna that way, which I think was about $25. I was looking on eBay but you also got to look and see what people bid on them, not just what they say, to sell. There's Jordan Walker. That was like a rookie short print. So they kind of put him. There was, let's see here, Volpe. There's the high series of Volpe, but there's a low series of him with a variation sharing another card for the person. Let's talk about Yoshida. And then Cody Senga. There's one other guy in there. And then, so that's the Jordan Walker on the high series. In the high series, you get like 225, 700. So there's like 200 and then 25 short prints. So there's a Jordan Walker Chrome refractor, whatever. Oh, $9.99. And that's kind of interesting because, you have like, that one seems to be the one you would think that, so that might be a variation. Don't know. Be interesting to find out. And I got like a small card of Esteury Ruiz. So they kind of have like that there, 66 out of 100. And then my shark top card or whatever, Aaron Judge, the box topper. So now we're going to do box number 2. I'm going to open the first one at the shop, kind of see what I had. And this interesting thing also from like the first series and second series, essentially. So there's Shohei Ohtani. So there's the team missing as far as the city, Los Angeles Angels. I mean, they play in Anaheim. But there's Mike Trout. And so that's a Zach Neto. So he's 700. So he's not part of the short print, but all of them mostly say American League. And I guess there's some variations. And so it's like, okay, do they forget? Or do they, and there's a Carlos Estevez, that's actually be 702, so that's going to be a short print. And maybe that could be a variation of the, instead of having the American League name there. So I'm just wondering if they, kind of got the Oakland A's and the Anaheim, Angels, Los Angeles Angels mixed up. So let's see here. What do we get? Oh, so there's an old timer there. Rolly Fingers. I'll put that one way there, and let me put Aaron Judge there for right now. And usually it's been this one. I think it's going to be the hit there. Usually it was like before is like the first side there, and now it seems like the second one. But we'll find out. So I'll kind of open that last one, see if that's where the hit's from. I'm just going to open all these up and kind of see. So yeah, so you should have like, it'd probably be nice to have like maybe more numbered cards or something, because pretty much to the, one box I got, I pretty much got the one card that's, from 501 to 700. And then you get about 8 cards for the high series, for the, 25 packs of the short prints. So usually it'd be about 8. That's how I usually count them out. I was like, okay, I got 8 of the short prints per box. So we'll do like that there and kind of see what we get. So there's that. Cranky, that's like a now and then. That's one of their inserts. I'm probably just going to go a little bit quicker. Oh, there we are. Maybe see somebody. There's some rookie cards there. And that's the other guy, that Shintaro Fujinami. That was like also like the short print, from the first series. And there's rookie performers. So you do get some inserts, not numbered or anything. Be interesting to see what all the inserts that they have for like some of the Topps products. Oh, and here's a hit, Aroldis Chapman. Yeah, $9.99, and that looks to be about $8.20. Or maybe get maybe a couple of, boxes with like hits. But you think that, with 200, essentially 200 cards for the base set, that, you'd probably be nice to have some more, kind of hits from that, instead of just base cards. But there's probably a lot of that's going to be like some type of a teammate type of card. And there's usually, like, say, a variation in here. Sometimes they have a black bordered card to 50, but they're not numbered. I mean, it'd be interesting to see if they just decide that, okay, well, we're going to number it at one of these times. And that one's kind of flipped over. Sometimes I have to go back and check and see what happened, why that one was flipped over. And there's one other card you get. It's like an Aaron Judge, Roger Maris special, card 100, which would be like the low series. And and that card is like a special card for like Aaron Judge hitting, breaking his record. And I'm just gonna open these. Try and get going a little bit. Yeah, so that card 100, it's like like I say, about 3 low series card boxes, and I never came up with that. But it usually appears in the high series. Oh yeah, so that's probably going to be what is it? Yeah, so that one flipped over. So there's a variation there. It's not like the other one. that was like a Acuna Jr., which was a major one, I consider, you know. And there's a now and then for one of the Toronto Blue Jays. The Carter Hunter is usually always flipped over as well. Matt McLean, this is a rookie card. So most of the big ones probably like Volpe. You have, I mean, from the low series, Corbin Carroll's in there. So high series, you know, you have less cards to make. So the price is about like $60, $60, $70 for one of these hobby boxes. So far, it looks like maybe that second to the left middle pack, that's where you're going to find the hit. So we'll find out because I get this one. And this is like the 1974 design. So next year is going to be the 1975 design. And that's going to be the one that has like the colorful team names. And Kershaw, he's seems to make always that little high series one. There's Jordan Walker, rookie performers. And like I said, there's a Volpe there. And it was like I say, Estevez again with the Angels. Not the American League Angels. That's kind of like say, I'm just kind of like, okay, did they think, okay, this is the Oakland A's, and they're gonna, like say, they're gonna, not too sure where they're gonna be, so they're gonna split Oakland American League Angels. And that's 504-foot homer from C.J. Cron. So I think I'm right on where that hit's going to be at for the autograph or the bat or for the jersey. Dominic Fletcher, he's brother of David Fletcher. Patrick Bailey, Tristan Casas. Yep, so with one more pack, this is the one I kind of separated that I thought this is where the hit's going to be. I kind of like all these heritage. That kind of brings me back to my childhood or teenage years of collecting. And it's pretty simple, you know, design, I guess. And, you know, there's so many different variations of tops and very high end, you know, kind of very low end. But this is also fun to, you know, for the short prints too, to put together. So that's a 2022. So I was kind of thinking, okay, that should be maybe a 2023, you know, but maybe I'm wrong. So maybe they also do like variations on these cards too. So that's a Chapman that way. Unless it's like one like say like the Jordan Walker. Interesting to find out about that. So let's see here. And they also get like a insert of the hammer, Hank Aaron. So usually about 10 cards usually in that, or Perkins. The low series you get like news flashes of what culture was like, and events, and also baseball events too. And kind of like I can't think that's kind of flip this over. I think that might be the autograph or Mount Castle. Or the relic. That's oh. Esther Ruiz. So, yeah, so it's like that. If you buy one of those, it's probably going to be that second to the left. Anyhow, well, I hope you enjoy this, and hey, Merry Christmas. And I'm going to get a bunch of like other videos coming up too. So, anyhow, have fun.